360. That's the way to go. It's the new thing, 360. You flip with it. Flip with it. It's 360. 360.
You want to explain who's those people in the back?
We have some friends.
Yeah.
Right. Those guys.
Who's that guy? Who's that? Who's that?
In the back?
That guy right there.
Where's that guy? Who? The guy playing with the phone?
Yeah.
The guy playing with the phone, and his name is Danny. He is a very good swimmer. That's what he said.
Yeah.
And he likes being in the water. He played with some swimming team in college. And, he's a cool dude. He didn't come today with hiking shoe, but he still made it down here. And he's looking forward to go back up because he wants to burn those calories. Because he likes calories. Him and calories are friends. They drink together.
Okay.
Then we have this dude here. He's chef, as I said, and jambalaya style. This guy is made for jambalaya. But his problem today is he came half prepared. He's half a jambalaya.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
he's half a jambalaya. He's making a vegetarian jambalaya. Can you believe it? Vegetarian jambalaya. Dude, do you eat vegetarian jambalaya? Only today. Only today. Vegetarian jambalaya. That's just for the vegetarian people,
Yeah.
He thought we're vegetarian. I look vegetarian. Do I look vegetarian?
Let me see. Let me see your stomach.
Look at me. I look vegetarian. I don't even have, like meat-eating color. I'm vegetarian.
Vegetarian.
Yeah, vegetarian. And look, he's adding stuff. There's rice. I know that stuff. He's been practicing. That's what surprises me. He's been practicing.
Let's
to
go
make
to him.
it
Let's
a
go to him.
Full scope jambalaya. But nevertheless, he still made it as fishy.
Oh, okay. He like it.
But there's fish here. You can get some and maybe add it with the jambalaya.
You want to explain to us, sir?
What?
You want to explain to us what you're making?
Jambalaya with no sausage,
Jambalaya with nothing.
with nothing.
Yeah.
Yusuf, explain the food to
that's
the
the
audience.
idea.
Explain the food to the audience, please.
The audience is, I'm sure the audience is a very nice, well-informed audience. Because that's how we talk to, who we talk to. We don't talk to anybody else. And lots of rice, man. I can see lots of rice, lots of tomatoes. And,
Vegetarian jambalaya.
it's good stuff. It's good stuff. We're gonna live with it.
Okay, Yusuf, let's come here, man. Let's interview Danny.
Danny. Yeah, we said Dan.
Go ahead.
Danny's a cool dude, man. He's a swimmer.
You want to stay in the frame, bro?
He's a swimmer too. And his name is Danny, right? His name is Danny. He's a cool dude. And so he didn't come very much prepared. No hiking shoes. He's making it. He's making it. He made it. And he's gonna make it more on the way back. And he's gonna kill those calories. Him and calories are good friends. Exactly. They set apart from each other because they gotta keep space. But
Water is freezing.
and the water is freezing, he said.
Yo, what's going on, jambalaya?
I'm making jambalaya with no sausage and no shrimp.
I'm joining the interview.
We just have some water, some salt.
Hey,
and
Yusuf,
some
what's going
turmeric.
on, hombos?
What's up, bro?
You a
Dude.
slide down?
I'm having a badass time. With the waterfall, we're here. We have a great company, Then the cooking, man. You have a chef here. Look at that.
Look at this. Look at this.
Man,
Guy.
this guy is a pro.
Here in Shenandoah.
Look at this. Look at this.
This is
That's like jambalaya style.
jambalaya with no sausage.
You like it?
You like it?
Like
No
it?
You
sausage?
like my hand?
No sausage jambalaya?
This is new.
French.
Yeah, you're doing like an art now.
No,